Hello everyone, this is Mac, and today I'm going to be doing a little quick video on replacing a turbine head or a whirlybird, whatever you want to call it. You can Google both of those names and it will come up with the picture, but I'll show you here in a second what I'm talking about, and I'll try to keep the video short and we'll get this done. Okay, so that is what I'm talking about. Turbine on top of my storage container here. It quit spinning not too long after I installed it. It's been up about 2 years, and I don't know, I guess it lasted good for about a year and it quit spinning, so I bought a new one. We're going to get it replaced. So this is what I am going to replace it with. This Master Flow, it is awesome. I took it out of the box and it's got sealed bearings at the top and sealed bearings at the bottom, and it spins unbelievably easy, and it's had great reviews on it. It was about $49 at Home Depot, and so it's a little bit more expensive than the one I had up there, but that other one just it wasn't cutting it. It had bushings in it, and it was cheap and it was garbage, and so I'm putting one of these in it, and so far I'm really happy with it. I had it out of the box and was spinning it, and it was just really easy. So here's my old turbine, and you know, when you spin it, it feels like it's spinning good, but the wind just, it won't turn it. So we're gonna open up. Look at that. That's a nice turbine right there. That thing is nice, and that thing really spins easy. So my old turbine has 3 screws that's holding it on, and this one's got 6 holes. So what I'm gonna do when I pull this off and put the new one on, I'm gonna have to drill a few pilot holes so I can get some screws in there. But yeah, look how easy that turns. It's amazing. I love it. I'm not going to use this bottom part that came with it because I've already got one installed, but I will quickly go over later in the video how I put that in, just in case anybody's wanting to know how to mount one of these on a shipping container, because what's weird is you got these ridges in here. So I'll tell you how I did that. So this is the base that it comes with in the box. It's got easy instructions, comes with screws to mount it on this, well packaged, but like I said, I'm not going to need this base because I've already got one installed. So I just wanted to show you, for those that don't know or hadn't done this before. So I got a bucket of roof cement, and I will put that around here to seal up the seam, and a couple of screwdrivers, drill bit, my drill, and like I said, the drill bit will be to drill a couple of pilot holes in here where I'm going to need them for that one, because that's got 6 holes to mount. That one's only got 3, and I'm sure the holes aren't going to line up anyway. So I figured I'd just show you the tools you're going to need. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and take this old head off here. This one here will just come right off. The wind's already blowing it, look at that. Okay, so I'm going to put a little of this tar around here. You can use probably some other stuff, but I had this from the last time that I installed this. That's what all this stuff is. So I'm going to put a little of that around there. Not too much. Trying to spread it out pretty good. I'm sure they make better stuff than this, but it's what I have, so it's what I'm going to use. All right, and now I'm going to line one hole up with this one, and I'll drill my other holes. Make sure it's all down on there real good. I'm just going to loosely put it on there till I get my holes drilled. Drill these holes now. First time the thing spun, and I don't know how long. I'm really liking it. It's pretty nice. I'm gonna go back around and tighten them up. Okay. And that is all it is to it. So that didn't take long. If I wasn't filming it'd probably taken 15 minutes, but that's all it is to it. And it's spinning great. I love it. Master Flow, it's a good turbine. So if y'all need one, I'd say definitely use them, because that other one I splurged and I didn't splurge, I just went cheap, and it wasn't no good. So these ball bearings, I mean, look at it, it's just sitting there spinning away. So, whew, I'm out of breath. It's hot. It's 9 o'clock in the morning here in Mississippi, and I'm telling you what, the humidity is like, feels like 150%. So to give you just a quick tutorial of what I did when I laid that bottom plate on here with these channels the way it is, it left a big gap. So in each one of those channels there and over here, I took a small square piece of, I think it was maybe 1/2 inch aluminum square tubing, and I cut it where it would fit in here, and I angled it so it would, you know, fit as close to the edge here as possible. And then I did that on all 4 spots here. Once I laid my plate on there, I screwed them into the sheet metal, and then I just put that roof sealing tar all over it really well, and none of that has ever leaked. The only time it leaked is when the old turbine wasn't spinning, and we got a monsoon last week, and it just poured in there and got the inside of the container wet. So that's why I decided I needed to replace this. But yeah, so just take you some aluminum square tubing and cut it to where it'll fit down inside these channels, and I slanted the edges so it would come up, and that's what I did. And then just filled in all the cracks real good and thick with that roof tar, and I mean, it's solid. I've got screws all the way around, and it's not going anywhere. So if y'all are ever wanting to put a turbine on a storage container, that's how you do it. It's not hard. Plus the instructions too, and the box are easy. easy to read. So make sure you cut the right size hole out. The let me turn you around here. The box has a, I don't know if you can see that, yeah, template right here. So it's got a template on the box. You can cut out and use it. Well, okay, that's all it is to it. I tried to keep it as short as I could. So I appreciate y'all watching, and if you hadn't already, if you're new to my channel, subscribe to my channel, like and share, hit that thumbs up button. All that helps me, and appreciate you watching. Hope y'all have a great day.